So here's the back gate right here. Here's the pole. Then these are the 8 trees that he's talking about, these bushes here. And then there's 4 oak trees as you go back here on the back side of the wall. So he's basically talking about wiping out everything that's behind the wall. So all this back here, so this is the first oak tree. And there's actually is 8 of these kind of trees here. Here's the second oak tree right here. And there's the 3rd and the 4th oak tree right back there. So it's basically everything. So here's number 3, there's number 4, and that's the 12th, the 8th of the other kind of trees. So I thought we were coming the other direction. I'm not sure. We need to figure this. All right, thanks.